Shit, what was that?
That was a lure. I'm not sure what, but get the net. This bass is huge. Let's go.
Holy shit, buddy. Holy shit.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Was that your lure, you said?
I don't know exactly what, but I'm pretty sure it was.
Nice. Shit. Oh, you do that if you don't mind.
Look at that. Can you get the scale for me? Oh my god.
Shit.
Look at that bad boy. That thing is huge.